Hey guys, Corey from Yota Expedition here. In this video, we're going to be doing a quick and easy lighting upgrade to our 3rd gen Tacoma. We're going to be swapping out the license plate lights because the OEM ones are pretty bad, and we're going to be putting in some of our LED ones from Yota Expedition. So this is going to be a pretty easy install. You don't really need any tools to do this, but a flathead screwdriver might help getting the lights out a little bit easier. Now, this is not only going to light up your license plate more, but it could also help when it comes to using your backup camera. So let's go ahead and get those OEM license plate lights removed, and I'll show you how to do that. So from under the truck, you can see we have the license plate light housing right there. And you can see we have a clip on this side, and you're gonna have one on this side as well. So you're gonna have to depress both of those. It might be a bit tricky. That's where the flathead screwdriver might come in handy. So we're gonna go ahead and get both of these depressed and push out the light housing. All right, so once you have the light housing popped out, you can go ahead and unplug the light, and you can take the bulb out. All right, so looking at the OEM bulb and looking at the Yota Expedition LED one, you can see that the harness coming out is going to be the same connector as your LED bulb. So you're just going to go ahead and plug this in just as if it was the bulb, and then just snap this back in place and you're finished. All right guys, that's pretty much going to wrap this one up. We have the LED license plate lights now installed on the Tacoma, and we can actually see something there. And this could also come in handy when it comes to hooking up a trailer. Just that little bit of extra light could help you out. Now, if you want to grab a set of these for your Tacoma, they're available on yotaexpedition.com. You can click the link right down in the description, and it'll take you right to the product page. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button so you can stay on top of all of the new Tacoma and 4Runner content that we're posting every week. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.